mapping and know directions. We have already learnt about the main directions called north, south, east, west. Now we will know northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest directions. Remember, directions are always parallel to the ground. This makes it easier to understand the map and the region. Yasmin of 4th standard has learned to draw a simple map of her classroom. Listen to Yasmin. Yasmin says, "My teacher asked me to measure the length and breadth of my classroom with my footsteps. When I did so, I found that the length of the room is 12 footsteps and breadth of the room is 10 footsteps. My teacher told me that my 2 footsteps are equal to 1 meter. Let's imagine that the length of the room you measured is 12 foot steps and breadth is 10 foot steps. If your 2 footsteps are equal to 1 meter, then 12 feet is equal to 6 meter. Likewise, 10 feet is equal to 5 meter. That means the length of the room is equal to 6 meters and the breadth of the room is equal to 5 meters. If we convert 1 meter into 1 centimeter on a scale, then 6 meter will be equal to 6 centimeter and 5 meter will be equal to 5 centimeter. Let's see how Anwar directed a person to go to Taluk office. In the center of the main road, there is the Gandhi circle. If you go towards its east, on the right side you will see a hotel. Next to this there is a hostel. Then a post office and a school. Next to the school is the Taluk office. It is situated about 20 meters away from the school. On the right side you will see a hotel. Next to this there is a hostel. Then a post office and a school. Next to the school is the Taluk office. It is situated about 20 meters away from the school. So Anwar has measured the distance by his footsteps. Anwar has drawn a simple map of the area from Gandhi circle to the Taluk office with the help of directions and landmarks. So always remember, it is very important to learn mapping and know directions.